Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's session of On Air with Boss. Our guest for today is Sadia Mazhar, who is a dynamic HR professional, passionate educationist, successful entrepreneur, and accomplished freelance content writer with over 80 international projects to her name. Currently the CEO of Torque 360 SMC Private Limited, Sadia has made her mark in both the corporate and academic worlds, having taught at institutions like CLCAS and Bloomfield Hall. She has also spoken on leading platforms including IEEE ComSats and PITB's e-Rozgar program, championing topics like women empowerment, freelancing, and HR innovation. Her story has been featured in publications like Extraordinary Freelancers of Pakistan and The Spectacle magazine. And through it all, she proudly credits Beacon House for shaping her values of confidence, curiosity, and purpose. Sadia, can you please walk us through your journey at Beacon House?
When I was 3 years old, I got admission at Beacon House, Lahore campus, and the very first campus was Garden Town campus. So I do have my very fond memories from that branch. But later on, we got transferred to Beacon House, Rahim Yar Khan, and there I started my education, and I kept on studying till my matriculation.
Okay, that's awesome, mashallah. Can you tell us about your fondest memory at Beacon House?
The Eid Milan parties we used to have at school, it was always a fun experience. We would bring yummy foods from our homes, and my mother was busy cooking food for me, for my sisters, because all of us were studying in the same school.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
मुझे बताओ Sadia, what was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject has always been science.
Really?
I'm crazy science enthusiast, believe me. I'm always, curious to do experiment, even
Okay.
now.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
So why didn't you take that up as a profession?
Unfortunately, due to some mishaps in my life, I could not. But it's okay. It's part of life. Things happen. We have
True.
to accept them. That's
True.
okay.
So Sadia, if you could travel back in time, what's one thing that you would do differently?
First of all, I am crazy about space science. So I would choose the subjects which take me to that field and become a scientist. That's what I would want to do if I get a chance again.
Okay, do you think that's a dream that you would have for one of your kids also?
Yes, definitely. My eldest child does show this kind of interest. He is also exploring things the way I used to do when I was a child.
Outstanding. अच्छा, अब सादिया मुझे बताओ कि how was your experience in Beacon House overall?
Overall, it was a delightful experience, to be very honest. And believe me, when I compare this time with my college time, with my university time, I find this time to be the best.
अच्छा, Sadia, do you remember any friends from your school life?
Yeah, I do remember, and I do have contact with so many of them.
Would you like to give a shout out to some of the friends?
Yeah, definitely. Tareem Ahmed, Zainab Ibrahim, शाबिर और आमना हमीद, सारा शबीर, मरियम नदीम मेरी ही सोसाइटी में रहती है, तो इस तरह मेरी बहुत सारी फ्रेंड्स थी माशाल्लाह.
नहीं माशाल्लाह, you've taken quite a few names.
Yeah.
अब मुझे बताओ कि do you remember any of your teachers from school life?
There was मैम राहत आगा. She used to teach us English. उनके साथ हम शरारतें बहुत करते थे. अगर मैं वो शरारतें बताऊंगी, ये ना हो कि वो रेप्लिकेट कर दे कोई स्टूडेंट और बाद में मेरे पे नाम आ जाए कि मैंने आइडिया दिया था.
नहीं, we would definitely like to know one of those things at least.
We were kind of naughty at that time. अब grade 7 के students naughty होते हैं, आपको पता ही है.
बिल्कुल.
So we had an artificial lizard. ठीक है. We tied up a thread with it. Sliding door था, यानी कि दोनों doors open होते थे. उसके ऊपर से ना वो आ रही थी ऊपर, जैसे curtains वगैरह आप hang करते. Some sort of that thing. एक बच्चा जो है ना वो पीछे करके बैठा हुआ था. So he was holding the rope. और जैसे टीचर्स आते गए ना एक एक करके, तो हमने वो
oh my god, okay.
They were like they did scream, and then they realized, oh ये तो artificial है.
Would you like to give a shout out to a few of your teachers also?
Miss Shazia used to teach us biology. Sir Said used to teach us chemistry and physics as well. And there was Sir Maroof, he used to teach us Urdu. They shaped us, and today we literally pray for them for making us so strong inside out.
MashaAllah.
Believe me.
How important do you think mentorship is?
Mentorship is very important to shape an individual. And input of the teachers as mentors counts a lot.
Are you still in touch with a few of them?
Yes, I am in touch with Sir Said. Sir Amanullah, he used to teach us English, and he was a very nice teacher. Recently, he got an award for 25 years of excellence.
MashaAllah.
Serving Beacon House for 25 years, alhamdulillah.
Sadia, how would you categorize yourself as a student? Were you a nerd? Were you a fashionista? Were you naughty?
I was very naughty.
Okay.
But I was never disrespectful. And I was a sports loving child because I used to practice martial arts back then.
Wow.
Yes, my father was very much fond of sports, so he would always push me be part of sports, and that's why I was in martial arts, and I was in badminton team, I was in table tennis team as well. Not in cricket team, unfortunately, because that was specified for the boys at that time.
So martial arts are you still practicing martial arts?
Now at home I do, and even I used to practice Shinkyokushin before I got married, because I was going to a proper club for that.
Achha.
It's in the railway headquarters, Burt Hall.
Okay.
So it's Japanese full body karate. So I used to practice that before I got married.
मुझे बताओ, did you have a go-to study buddy?
Yes, I had my whole group actually. Mudia Jamil, Sidra Akram, and Mariam Nadeem.
Acha Sadia, tell me, if your library had a secret floor, what would you find on the floor and why?
I would want to have a very beautiful decor over there.
Okay.
A lot of dancing lights and a delightful music, some yummy food around me because I'm fond of food, and I want to have some guests as well because I want to serve them food. Okay. And a big large container of tea or coffee, the way you see in Masha and the Bear.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm very fond of that, the teapot that the bear has. There is a big screen around me, and the whole place is full of flowers, full of good fragrance. So I would enjoy that.
Acha, Sadia, मुझे बताओ कि if your campus was a person, what would their zodiac sign be and why?
I would choose Cancer because I'm myself a Cancerian.
Okay.
And the reason is because I believe that Cancerians are usually loving and soft natured, and they are affectionate about whatever they have around them. So when I relate that with my campus, I found the same love from them, from everyone who was with me.
What's one thing that you learned from Beacon House that had nothing to do with your studies?
Beacon House taught me how to love, believe me. My mother passed away back in 2005. And there were some naughty girls in my class. They came to my house. All of them were crying. And they hugged me and said, Sadia, अगर कभी हमसे आपको कोई तकलीफ भी पहुंची हो ना, हम आपको सॉरी कहते हैं, और आज के बाद हमसे आपको कभी तकलीफ नहीं होगी. That moment changed my perspective even about them. वरना आपको पता है बच्चों की आपस में लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं. That's normal. Later on, when we were in different fields of life, we still wanted to stay connected to each other.
True.
तो वो जो एक अफेक्शन है, वो जो एक एसोसिएशन है ना स्कूल के साथ, that is what I learned from the school.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, Sadia, what message do you have for our current students at Beacon House?
They should enjoy what they are doing. पढ़ाई को ना कभी भी बर्डन नहीं समझना. Enjoy करके पढ़ना है, मजा आएगा, कभी बोरिंग नहीं लगेगी. ये पल हमें याद आएंगे, तो पल हमें याद आएंगे, हमने किया यहाँ जो भी किया, रो के कभी हंस के जिया.
That's awesome, mashallah. Thank you so much, Sadia, for joining us on today's session of On Air with Boss. It was an absolute honor to have you here with us today. And I hope and pray that everyone who's watching the show, they learn from the words of wisdom that you have given us today. Thank you once again. Jazakallah.
Thank you.
Beacon House Old Student Society, POS, building a community together.